Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Bigo Live. If you'd like to learn how to find friends and add them on your Bigo Live, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open Bigo Live application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the search icon in the top right corner right next to the notification icon. In the search box, type in the username, the Bigo Live ID or the live title of a particular person that you'd like to add. Once you search for the person's name or their Bigo Live ID, you'll be able to see all of the names that matches your search in the search result. Tap on the particular search result that you'd like to add. Now from the relevant host option displayed right beneath, tap on the username or their name and simply tap on the follow back button at the bottom left in order to follow the person. That is how you'll be able to add someone on Bigo Live by simply tapping on the follow button. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.